My name's Theo Patterson. This is the Mini of Sterling. And here I have a Mini Cooper 4-door hardtop. All right, so we're gonna go on a little test drive in the 4-door hardtop. This is the Cooper model. So you have a 3-cylinder, 1.5 liter engine in here, our most fuel efficient engine, an engine that most may find in the BMW i8. It feels effortless to go around a corner. So something to pay attention to in regards to the suspension is our vehicles actually will stiffen up suspension on the opposite side of the turn. So if we're making a right turn, then the left side suspension is going to stiffen up to avoid any body roll, so that this vehicle is being controlled by the driver and not by the laws of physics. Something super cool about Mini is the Mini manufacturer actually designs this vehicle so it doesn't have any blind spots. So that's why we have windows all over the place. That's why our rear view mirrors are massive, and that allows us to be able to drive this vehicle with less technology and with less worry. This is one of those cars that you can take on turns almost as fast as you like, as long as you are a professional driver or on a professional course.